Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of views not showing on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of views not showing on YouTube, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.